Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide Wix pages images from search result. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. So we are going to hide images from search result. So we are inside pages and menu. Now you see we have multiple pages. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see settings, so again click on it. Now we are in page setting and then you see multiple option. Now click on advanced SEO, so click on it. So we are in advanced SEO. Now you see reports meta tag, so click on it. Now you see multiple option again. Now you see no image index, enable this option. Now you see this hide the images on this page from search result. So you can apply this setting for multiple pages according to requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.